Hello there! Today, we're gonna open up another Wikkeez surprise. And this is from Disney. Can we find a gold? Or could we find any of these Disney characters in front? Let's see. I'm hoping to get... Minnie Mouse. She's my favorite. Can you read this? It says, collect, trade, and play. But how could we trade and play? We probably need to visit their website. That's www.wikkeez.com. Let's check the back of the package. So this is not for children under 3 years. So it's for 3 years old and above. I also hope that I could get Kermit. This one. Who else do we have here? Look! So cool! And it also says here, play games with your Wikkeez. Find out more on their website. I hope to get a gold Wikkeez. Let's open it up. This should include 2 stickers and 2 Wikkeez. Oops. What do we have here? Look. Do you know who is this? Look, 2 cute stickers. Very cool. Oops. First, we also have these Wikkeez. So cute. You think it's Wall-e? I also think so. Cute Wall-e. Let's check the other one. So cool! We have a Disney princess here. Cute Princess Mulan. So we have Wall-e and Princess Mulan. Both very cute and very tiny. Look! My thumb is a little bigger, but it's almost the same size as my thumb. Same with Princess Mulan. Looks like they have the same height. Both looks adorable. Oops. Let's play some game. Oops. Who's gonna win? Is it gonna be Wall-e or Mulan? Oops. No one wins. Oops. Cute. You could even play with your friends using your Wikkeez like this. Look! Oops! I missed that! Oops! Cool! Oh, that's too far. Oops! I missed that again. Oops. Oops. Oh, there you go. Princess Mulan just won the game. Let's check the stickers. Who do we have? Look. Do you know any of them? So we have Don Carlton from Monsters, Inc. That's right, it's Don Carlton. And here we have Clue from Tron. Let's get them. Oops. Here. Cute. Oops. Cute stickers. I think that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching. Say goodbye to our Wikkeez here. Bye, Wall-e, and bye, Princess Mulan. Goodbye to you.